Ad hoc means, for this purpose only. Its literal translation from the Latin is to this. Common examples are an ad hoc committee, or an ad hoc commission created for a specific, or one-time purpose, to address issues that fall outside the scope of other existing committees or commissions. Ad hoc committees are formed on a temporary basis. In Schmidt v. Contra Costa County, the Ninth Circuit wrote, "An ad hoc decision is one taken based on the circumstances of a particular case. An ad hoc decision is made with a particular end or purpose, as distinguished from a coordinated policy."